Hello and welcome back to Wood Lane. It's been a couple of months since I've been here and look at the progress. We're up to first lift across all 3 properties and I'm pleased to report that 2 are now sold subject to contract. The final plot remaining is plot number 2 and I'm going to give you some more detail about that after the little tour. For further information about how to proceed with plot number 2, get yourself down to site, call Kathy at the office on 01564 777 314 and she'll be able to walk you through the whole process.